Buddhist and very great yogi.
Buddhist.
And great yogi. सब सारे भारत के ऑल वर्ल्ड के योगी सब एक ही हैं.
All the saints in the entire world are one. Like they're all the same.
और चाहे वो बुद्ध हों या ईसा मसीह हों, जितने भी ग्रेट योगी हुए हैं वो सब भगवान को बताने के लिए, समझाने के लिए आए.
All the great saints, be it Jesus, be it Buddha or any great saint, whoever has taken birth, they have come to explain the meaning of God to us.
कहीं भी
It
संत
doesn't
हो,
matter if the saint is from America or England or London or wherever they are from,
India.
or India, wherever
सबका
the
लक्ष्य
saint-
एक ही है कि ईश्वर को जानो.
everyone's, all the saints, their purpose is to know and understand God. It doesn't matter where they are from, but everyone's purpose is the same.
आत्मा और परमात्मा बस.
हाँ. So Atma, you know, is soul, and Paramatma is God.
Yeah.
हाँ. तो क्या
सुबह
आत्मा और
आत्मा को परमात्मा से भी जोड़ना है.
So to connect your Atma with Paramatma, to connect your soul with the God.
जब आपका ये निर्मल हो जाएगा, मन पवित्र हो जाएगा, तो फिर आपका मन सोल से जुड़ जाएगा, फिर सोल तुम्हारा गॉड से जुड़ जाएगा.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, if your mind is pure and simple, then your mind will connect to your own soul, and if your mind connects to your soul, then it will automatically connect to the God.
तो सभी संतों का, कभी ग्रेडियों का काम है कि आप बिल्कुल प्योर बनो, आपका हृदय शुद्ध हो जाए. और संत और ग्रेडियो भी कहते हैं कि भगवान से जुड़ो, अपने मन को, आत्मा को निर्मल बनाओ. मन, आत्मा तो शुद्ध ही है, मन को शुद्ध करना है. मन, बुद्धि, चित्त, अहंकार.
So they have all said that you need to, like, to connect with God, you need to have a pure heart, and your soul is already clean, but it's your mind that needs to be clean, pure. Man, chit,
मन,
ahankar.
बुद्धि, चित्त, अहंकार.
Man, buddhi,
buddhi,
chit, ahankar. So man is mind, buddhi is intelligence, chit is instinct,
चिंतन.
chit.
चिंतन.
हाँ, chit is like thinking or contemplating, rumination, or हाँ,
mind stuff.
हाँ, and ahankar is ego. So when you can work on all these four and make them stable, that's when you can actually be more pure. Your heart can be simple. So he's talking about two things. One is about purity of the heart, and second, to become so simple that, you know, like, not to be complex. Basically, he's saying nirmal. The word he's using is nirmal. It's purity. हाँ, मतलब like simple, मतलब बहुत ही आसान ना. आप बोल रहे हो कि एकदम मतलब आसान हो जाएगा.
आसान हो जाएगा,
है ना?
Yeah.
Like simplicity basically. So there's purity and there's simplicity, and you can reach purity by being simple. So that Buddha was one of the 24 reincarnations of God.
तो बुद्ध हमको धरती में बताने के लिए आए थे. वो तो अवतार ही थे, वो तो सब कुछ उनको ज्ञान था.
He had come to to earth, to land, to make us understand. He already knew it, like he already had it in him, but he came to spread the knowledge. Buddha.
बुद्ध ये दिखाने कि भगवान कैसे मिल सकते हैं, उन्होंने ये बताया.
He was trying to teach how you can find God. You know, what are the ways of actually reaching to God.
हाँ.
हाँ. So
राम, कृष्ण, शिव, लॉर्ड, ये सब साकार है.
और निराकार कौन है?
निराकार है जो ब्रह्म है, जो दिखता नहीं है,
शिव.
एहसास किया जाता है.
So he's saying that there are two forms of God. One is Sakar, another is Nirakar. So Sakar is Akar. The word Akar means form, okay, shape. So when we say Sakar, which means like they are in a physical form, be it Ram, Krishna, Shiva, or any sort of thing that we are seeing. And Nirakar is formless. So like the universe or the energy or the aura. There are things that we feel but we can't see them like physically. So yeah.
तो
So
वेद
दो types. There are two types.
और निराकार को ब्रह्म भी बोला गया है वेदों में.
So Nirakar form, like the formless type of God, is also called Brahm.
And every day, hey God, I am praying. You are my mother, you are my father, you are very good, take care. You are everyday Pratma. And Ram Nam, Sitaram, Sitaram Japa, and every in the morning, in the evening, and Ram Japa, and Hanuman Chalisa doing. If you are and suffering coming, you're gone. Okay? My English tutti frutti. Little English. I am very big suffering. I am fighting. No eat, no clothes, no money. I am lay down, lay down.
Pork?
No, yeah, no eating, no
You ran away.
food, no clothes, no kamal, no blanket me. I am fire. Okay. Very suffering I am fighting. Yeah. No take care going. And only in God take care. No in people take care. Kabhi sometime eating, sometime no eating jungle. No food. I am drinking water, then meditation. 9 days and only water, no eat food.
No?
Yeah, I am jungle. Little boy, I am very much fatty. Na my mother take care, na my mother take care, na in devotee take care, everything. All the na take care, everybody. I am a jungle little boy. I am fatting. Okay, God. You are eating, coming, so I am eating. No coming, I am no eating. I am Ram Nam Japa. I am little boy, very fatting. You are big boy, your fatting is fighting. Okay, suffering, jao. 9 days. 9 days is no eating food. Only water drinking. Water drinking and bathing and japa. Very much suffering, fighting. Natural life, not so good respect, not so good God chanting. Yeah. No mother, father respect, no God respect, no God chanting. Very much enjoying, very much checking. Bhagwan कहता है, and before life is suffering, जाओ. Reason.
Reason.
The reason for their suffering this lifetime, previous lifetime. What they do this
Action.
life is important for the next life.
Actually,
Everything has a
there's
cost.
many people, my Indian, I am, oh my Dipota, my child.
See if you actually use it, see it change.